Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make it onigiri with film wrap. It's very quickly and easy. So this is the basic setting. I bought the two today, but if you don't make it really a lot, so one is fine. But if you want to make it a lot, so two is much easier. And this setting is very important to make it volume. Today I don't have a space for the tray, bigger tray. So normally maybe you guys have a bigger pan. You can organize like this. So this make it a gap because this location come to the each onigiri. And then later after we done, so we lap individually for the one by one. So we don't need each space for this. So we can organize like this and then put here. So one bigger tray, I think the 18 pieces possibly to organize it. And then you can stack for the when it's done. Then after you put all the onigiri and make it a space and then lap, okay? And then this has a back and front. So this is more smaller and this is a bigger, which is when we put the rice. So the smaller is a top, okay? Bigger is a bottom, because when after we put the rice, we knock it and the onigiri come out. So this way is more it's stuck, and this is easier. Okay. Okay, so the point, I use this kind of glove, so rubber to hold it to make sure. And then the point is put the oil a little bit, make sure smooth, no stick the rice. And also the inside here with the oil, it's much smoother to out the rice, no stick. Okay, okay, and then let's grab it. So like this. You can put randomly, and then later after you see where is not enough, so grab and then put more. Now actually onigiri is very good profit too if you sell at your store, because most of the rice. Okay, something like this. And then so this rice with a bari, because I like the texture. You can mix the salmon or ume or whenever mix with rice already to use it, or make it the space for the center. And then today we use a kind of Japanese miso souvenir from friends. So we can make it like this center. It's kind of more traditional style. And then, so because it's out easy because of we did the correct way. After this, move it, organize like this. And then keep continue to do it. So we already done 6. Quick. Okay, so after we make put organize like this, we will do lap. Okay, and then we need to tape for the holding the after close it. So I use for this is a mailing label and or sari sheet for the each pages. So I already take out like this. So you should ready for the how many you need it, and because easy to do it. The point is, so onigiri, the triangle top coming here, and then just close it and hold nicely, okay, gently, and then pull like this, and then pull another one and hold it like this. And then the item name, you can put the printing out something and then put like this, so people understand what inside, what like you can nicely design to logo whenever. But this is done for one, okay, nicely. Then keep doing, gently hold it. Hold gently. Like after close this, so I adjusting for the position. Like this, okay? So 6 onigiri is coming. If you sell $3 each, $18. So I also sell for this onigiri wrap the like plastic come with a onigiri nori. So you can contact me if whenever your location, I can ship, I think, and it's cheaper than your local vendor. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is the extra after customer buy it. Feel it. This is, I think, yeah, the paper is a nice idea because it's much easier to break it than the plastic tape. This has to be opened nice gently. Pull, pull. Yeah, onigiri ready.